this video, I'm going to show you how to get cloud storage on your laptop or computer. So this is really useful as it means we can move the files from our computer to the cloud, and it means you can safely delete the files from your computer as they'll be backed up and saved in the cloud instead. So this is just a great way really to save storage space on your computer. Now there's a few different cloud services that we can use. I'll be showing you the easiest way to do this. So first just go and open up an internet browser. And then you need to head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed in to a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, then you can create one completely for free. Now, once you're on this page, you need to go and click on the square icon in the top right hand side, and then you can select Drive. So the Google Drive is just one cloud storage service, and this is where we can go and upload our files, photos, and documents, and they're going to be saved and stored in this cloud. Now, once you've uploaded your files into here, we can then delete them from our computer as they're going to be saved securely on the Google Drive instead. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and click on the New button in the top left hand side and then select New Folder. Now, I like to organize all of my files into different folders, and this works in the same way that you would create folders on your computer. So I'm just going to give this the name of photos, but you can label this whatever you need. You could then press the create button. Now obviously you can create multiple folders just by clicking new. You can then select new folder again, and you can go and create as many folders as you need. Once you've created a folder, you can go and double click on it to enter the folder, and then we can go and upload our files to this specific folder. So if you click on new in the top left hand side and then select file upload, you can then select the files on your computer that you want to upload to the cloud or to the Google Drive. Now you can upload individual files, or you can select multiple files like this, and then you can just go and press the open button. In the right hand side, you'll see the status of all of these files. Once it's finished uploading, it should have green ticks next to them like so. So now you can see all of our files in the Google Drive. You can go and double click on these to access them, and you can also download any of these files to your computer just by right clicking, and you can press the download button. Now you can see in the bottom left hand side we have 15 gigabytes of free storage space. So this is just what Google Drive gives you for having a free account. You can go and upgrade this to more storage if you need to at a later date, but 15 gigabytes is usually fine for small files and photos. So once you've finished uploading all of your files to the cloud, you can basically go and access these files on any of your different devices. Even if you buy something like a new laptop, as long as you have access to your Google account, you'll be able to retrieve and access all of your saved files to the cloud. So once you've saved your files to here, you could consider going to delete them on your computer. This is entirely up to you. It just depends if you want to save some storage space on your device. But that's basically how you upload files to the cloud. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.